In the last video, we had looked at a using of effect hook. We learned of one important concept, that is use effect is called after a single render. So it might create some problem in the performance. So we need a way to conditionally render the use effect. Let's take one example. So go back to the hooks render.jsx and let's begin by creating a new state variable, that is name. So name comma set name equals to use state. Initially it is empty string. Then let's add a input element. Input type equals to text. Then value equals to name. Then let's update the state by calling the setter function, that is set name, on the onChange event, that is onChange event. We use the arrow function, then set name. Inside this we call the target dot value. After that, finally within the use effect a lots of statement is added. So go to within the use effect and let's add console.log use effect updating the document title. Let's check it on the browser. So before this we run the project. Type, first of all, change ID to your app name, then type npm start. Right click and go to the inspect. So go to console, then let's click on the button and use effect is called and updating the title. So click on the button, so it updates the document title, and when I type on name, we still updating the document title. So this is not optimal. There is no necessary to update title if it is not even changes between render. Then how do we tell React to conditionally run use effect only when the count value changes? So to conditionally run effect, we pass second parameter in array. Let's get back to the VS code and add the second parameter in use effect and pass the count variable as a count. Within this array, we need to identify the state or props. So for our example, we need to effect changes only when count value changes. So within array, we add the count variable. So save it and go. Let's get back to the browser. Refresh and right click to inspect. Go to console. First change the click 0. It updating the document title. One click, but when I type on the input box, it is not updating the title. So this is not. So this is the point to keep away from this example. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video.